Hey friends, let's draw candy corn bat. First draw candy corn shape.
Good job! You did awesome!
Let's draw the eyes. Now color the big circles but leave the small ones.
Perfect!
Next, draw a cute smile. Wow! Doesn't that candy corn look cute?
Oh, yes!
Let's give the candy corn wings to fly. Now let's add ears.
Yes! We did it!
We drew a perfect candy corn bat. Now let's start coloring. We are going to use orange and yellow for its body. First draw an orange curved line like this. Then draw a yellow curved line at the bottom. This part will be fast forwarded, but you can pause at the end to match our colors. Wow! Our candy corn bat looks super awesome! It's time for a fun fact! Candy corn without trick or treat is like Halloween without costumes. Trick or treat means lots of tasty candies. Did you know that candy corn is also known as chicken food?
What?
Yeah, that's right. Because it looks like the corn that farmers give to their chickens. Isn't that funny? See you in next video.